I want to look for physical principles that make us understand how living systems work. Look at flocks of birds. How is that behavior directed? Or how we build a society together. This happens also at a much smaller scale, where many molecules can interact with each other as a sort of an entity by itself. One example is how is the genetic information organized? Another example is how cells decide to move around despite all this noise and disorder that is always going to be present at this molecular scale. We're looking for very simple, elegant patterns or laws that govern these systems. To do this, we use approaches such as data-driven theory. There's an enormous amount of information stored in all the data that is being produced at the moment. And it's up for grabs, lying around, waiting for an answer. You get all this large variety of behaviors from all these molecules statistically behaving together. And it's this statistical emergent behavior that somehow can counter this chaos. Living systems also just obey the laws of physics, and we want to understand how this works just at a very basic level.